Hello everyone, myself Ami Mehta, and here we discuss what is the computer network, what is the application of the computer network, and what are the types of computer network. So basically, let us first discuss what are the application of computer network. So the first one is financial services. Nowadays, almost all the financial services depend on the computer network. You can access the financial service across the world. For example, a user can transfer money from one place to another by using the electronic fund transfer feature. You can use networking in various financial areas such as ATM, foreign exchange, and credit history research. So nowadays, financial services need a computer network. So this is the most basic or most requirement of the computer network. Next, business. So but obvious, nowadays most of the works of business are done over the computer. So to exchange the data and ideas, we need a effective data and resource sharing features so that we can exchange data and resources. And to do this, we need a computer network, or to connect our computer with each other through a network. For example, a person of one department of an organization can share or access the electronic data of other departments through a network. Then the next one is email services. So almost nowadays all people using email services. So a computer network provides you the facility to send or receive emails across the across the globe in few seconds. Next one is mobile application. So by using mobile application such as cellular or wireless phone, you can communicate or exchange your views and ideas with one another. Now the next is directory services. So it provides you the facility to store files on a centralized location to increase the speed of search operation worldwide. So this is the basically how we can easily increase the speed of searching operation. Okay, so for that, directory services are available that we store the files in a centralized location. The next application is teleconferencing. It contains voice conferencing and video conferencing, which are based on networking. So in teleconferencing, the participant need not be present at the same location. So this is the application of computer network. Now let us discuss types of computer network. So in general, there are basically three types: LAN, MAN, and WAN. So first is local area network, then metropolitan area network, and the third one is WAN, wide area network. So let us start from LAN, local area network. So this is the first step, and basically it is privately owned networks within a single building or campus of up to a few kilometers in a size. So what is local area network? It is basically privately owned networks. It is within a single building or a single campus or up to few kilometers in the range, or we can say the size. Basically where this LAN is used, so they are widely used to connect personal computers and workstation in company offices and factories to share resources and exchange information. So local area network is basically used in company offices and factories for the purpose of sharing resources like printers and exchange the information. Now local area network lanes are easy to design and troubleshoot. In lane, all the machines are connected to a single cable. Like different types of topologies such as bus, ring, star and tree are used to arrange this local area network. So these are basically topologies. So topologies means what? We have to arrange, for example, 50 PCs, 50 computers. Then that in what way, in what manner we can arrange that 50 PCs. Okay, so the way in which you are arranging that PC is nothing but the particular topology. So there are to set up in a lane local area network, there are various topologies such as bus, ring, star and tree. And the data transfer rates of local area network was 10 gigabytes per second, up to 10 gigabytes per second. So it's maximum range. Okay, now they transfer data at high speeds. The highest transmission rate is possible inland because of the short distance between various computer network. Just because the distance are limited, firstly we mentioned that few kilometers in size, so the area is limited, the speed is high. So they, and also they exist in a limited geographical area. Like we say that in a company office or in a factory, so this is only for particular geographical region. Now this is the lane, the main workstation, and these are the various 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 system. So what are the advantages? That lane transfer data at high speed, and lane technology is generally less expensive. Now second one is MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. So MAN is a larger version of LAN, which covers an area that is larger than the covered by LAN but smaller than the area covered by WAN. So the area covered by MAN, which is basically greater than LAN but smaller than the WAN. We are see the what is WAN, wide area network. So a metropolitan area network or MAN covers a city. In land we see that it covers only few kilometers. Okay, but now a MAN covers a city. So the best known example of a MAN is the cable television network. So this is the most used to example or the most recognized example of MAN, which is cable television network, which is available in many cities. MAN basically what do, it connects two or more lanes. At first, the companies began jumping into the business, getting contracts from city governments to wire up an entire city. The next step was television programming and even entire channels designed for cable only. So this is how MAN is used. So this is the metropolitan area network. So this covers city. So this covers actually various buildings. So this is the lane and this is the vein which connects many cities. And the last one is wide area network. So WAN spans a large geographical area. It is often a country or region. So smallest, which is land, then the bigger one is then man, and most bigger network is when, because it covers entire country or a region. Wide area network links different metropolitan countries and national boundaries, thereby enabling easy communication. So it may be located entirely within a state or a country, or it may be interconnected around the world. It contains a collection of machines intended for running user programs. We will follow traditional usage and call this machine host. So the communication between different users of WAN is established using leased telephone lines or satellite links, and similar channels. So how the communication in WAN will happen? So it will be using the telephone lines or satellite links or the some similar channels. Okay, and this is how actually WAN is working. Okay, so the this is the smallest network is LAN, then the main which connects entire city, and most biggest network is wide area network. It either connect a country, region, or in more than one countries. Okay, so these are the basically what is computer networks application and the types of computer network. Thank you.